तुम
Okay. So basically today what we'll do is we'll take one step ahead now. There are five things that I want to do today. One is I want to revise the aspects, okay, the aspects which are very specific to Lal Kitab, because that is very important thing, and how the aspects actually work. Second thing is I will introduce you to what is called as a Varshafar. एक मिनट, तेवढं पहिलं करणार. So second part is I'll introduce you to what is called as Varshafal, म्हणजे त्या वर्षाचं काय हॉरोस्कोप होणार ते. Third, then we will see what I said you earlier, the Dhoke ka Grah. So which is the planet which will is the Dhoke ka Grah for that year. Then fourth, like I told you, I will tell you a story about Guru Nanak, which helps you to understand the fifth point, which is कुठला ग्रह इकडे स्थापित करायचा आणि कुठला ग्रह मूव करायचा. So basically, you know, we'll be moving planets to positive positions or otherwise. So what is the basic concept behind that? So there is a story, small story. So that will help you to understand all that. Okay, clear? So we'll start off with the first thing, which is basically the aspects. So I'll just share my chart now. This is the same chart which we had seen earlier. Okay, I'll just quickly run through it so that it becomes a revision before we go ahead. So if you see this chart, it basically tells you 1 to 6 houses are pehle ka ghar, which are the giving houses. Okay, this is very important. And pink ones are the baad ka ghar, which are receiving houses. So always in Lal Kitab it is said that pehle ka ghar se baad ke ghar mein the aspect goes. So instead of saying aspect goes, it is like saying the effect goes. So what that means is, let us say this is an aspect, okay, from fourth house to 10th house. Fourth house, whatever planets are seated here, one or more, whatever, they will all actually move to this house, merge with the planets in this house, and then give the result in this house. Okay, are you understanding what I'm saying? Okay, so basically these,
Manish, can you please repeat it?
yeah. So basically, let's look at this drishti. So what we are saying is, first thing that you have to understand is, पहले का घर से बाद के घर में जाता है. It is not the other way around. Like in KP and all that, we look from right to left, left to right, whatever it is. It is not like that. From here, it is only from left to right. And the पहले का घर is 1 to 6, and 7 to 10 are the receiving. 7 to 12 are the receiving houses. So if we take an example of, let's say, an aspect from the fourth house to the seventh house, let us say there are two planets seated here, and there is one planet seated here. So what it means is these two planets together in Yuti, what sort of effect they're giving, good or bad or whatever it is, that gets compounded and comes to the 10th house, merges with that planet over there, and gives the effect over there itself. So 1, 2, and 3 is a matlab. The 1 plus 2 comes here and mixes with 3 and gives the result over here itself. All understood? Okay. So this is the first thing. Now there are three aspects: 100%, 50%, and 25%. So 100% are basically the Kendra things, and like we are saying, it is first pehle ka ghar to baad ka ghar. So 1 to 7 is one aspect, and 4 to 10 is another aspect. These are 100% aspect. What 100% it means is, let us just for discussion's sake, let's say sun and moon is popular. Let's say just for discussion. So if sun is here and moon is here, sun will give its 100% effect and join moon over here, and whatever comes out of that, that effect will happen over here. So now we know that sun and moon are friends. So it will be sun will give its 100% friendship over here to moon, and that compounded effect will have its asar in this house. So this is an important point which has to be understood. Okay, because neither normally in so far till we came to this point, we were only looking at aspects is this fellow is hitting this fellow. But then we are saying that this fellow is seated here only. Either say band maar raha hai, if you remember. In LK it is slightly different. This guy actually jumps and comes here, mixes with this guy, and gives the effect over here. It is something like that. Okay, so this fellow coming here, is he giving his full 100%, or is he giving his 50%, or is he just giving his 25%? So there are these three drishtis over here. Okay, I'll just share it again. So coming to the 100%, it's very simple. The Band Mutti are the Kendra houses, the middle full squares. So 1 giving full effect 100% to the 7th house, 4 giving full effect to the 10th house. Simple. This is 100%. 50%, it is like a S or a ulta Z, whatever you want to look at it. The third house basically gives a 50% of its aspect to 11th house, and the other 50% it gives to 9th house. What this means is, let us say there is a planet seated here, there is a planet seated here, and there is no planet here. No planet here. So what happens is this fellow will give his 50% effect onto this guy. And since there is nobody here, the other 50% remains with him only. Baitala? So basically these are 50% aspects. From here to here it is 50%, from here to here it is 50%. If both these places there are planets here, then this fellow has exhausted his entire stock of giving 50% here and giving 50% there. Similarly, a planet seated here and a planet seated here, this fellow will give his 50% aspect to this guy. Have you understood? 50% aspect. So this here, this like a pictorial view should be set in your head. This sort of a view. You know, these two prongs from top and this from here. So it is not, this guy is not giving effect here. It is pehle ka ghar to baat kar. Okay. So these are basically the things. Then there are 25% aspects, which is like a X sort of. So second house gives sixth house. This is one unique case only. Second house giving the sixth house is a 25% aspect. Sixth house giving eighth house is another 25% effect. And eighth house का उल्टी दृष्टि बोलते हैं, giving the second house is also a 25% effect. So actually speaking, the eighth house also affects the 12th house, because from here to here, here to here, here to here. Now one very important thing to remember in this is, let us say there is a planet here, there is a planet here, there is no planet here, and there is a planet here. Then this link is broken in simple words. So it starts here, it gives its effect over here. It wants to give it effect over here, but there is no planet over here. You look at it like a ping pong game. There has to be opponents on both sides, or players on both sides. If the shuttlecock or the whatever has to be exchanged. If you are playing badminton and if the shuttlecock has to be exchanged, there has to be somebody on the other side. Otherwise, the shuttlecock remains with you. So take that, you have to remember in LK. So if there's nobody here, so it's a soya hua ghar. So then this fellow is dormant. Then this fellow will not give any effect. This is a very important concept which get it very clear. If you have not understood, I'll explain it over here. Imagine a game of badminton or ping pong, whatever you want to do. If there is one guy here with a shuttlecock in his hand, if he puts the shuttlecock here, it's of no use. Now there is there is nobody to hit it back. So the shuttlecock will remain with him. Similarly, the planet cannot give its effect over here, so the effect will remain with him. So effect will remain with him doesn't mean that it will explode over here. It is that it is dormant. It is dormant. To awaken him, you have to put a planet here. That is what will come to that fourth point of the Stapit, what I have written over it. Is this point very clear? Because these are the basic needs. This is the basic of LK. If you understand this, then आगे का will become simpler. So these are the 25% effects. There are two special effects of 100%, which is given only to Saturn from the 6th house to the 2nd house. Ulta. This is within the first pehle ka ghar only, but this is only Saturn from only the 6th house to only the 2nd house. So Saturn from 6th house will go to 2nd house. In case Saturn is here, will go here and yala udvasta karna. This will spoil the 2nd house. Just do this or that. Okay. Yeah. So why this is the thing, that the logic is, Saturn represents snake, and 6th house in LK means patal. Patal means underground. So snake is the only one who can be underground. So to titun yeun it can hit the second house. That is what it is said. Now these are the basic drishtis which are there. So 100% this ulta z asam rather 50%, and this 2 to 6, 8 to 2, and 6 to 12, 25% drishtis. Okay. So these have to be understood because there is nothing like, so baki ka drishti which we look at, no, I have not drawn it over here, but normally what we call the 180 degrees is called arm drishti. Arm drishti is just, they are just looking at each other and connecting. It's a connection. There is no drishti, there is no effect. So that is called arm drishti. I don't think I've drawn it here. I have not drawn it here, but basically that is arm drishti. Okay. So it is just a connection. Now, this is a very important thing which I don't think I had explained earlier on. Just pay attention over here. The fifth from and fifth to. Okay. So one minute, I'll first talk on the screen and get it. Any planet fifth from a planet, I'll explain it, don't worry. Any planet, if this is a planet, any planet fifth from that becomes its foundation. Okay. And any planet fifth from the planet which is ahead becomes its companion. So foundation and companion. I'll share the thing. So basically I'll explain. आता इकडे बघ, for example, if this is 1, if I go backwards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, correct? If I go ahead 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whichever planet is here, the 1, 5 houses behind it becomes its bunyad, foundation. And 5 houses ahead of it becomes its sathi. Now understand, let me tell you from the logic point of view. First house is you, correct? First house is the self, native, it is you. What is the fifth house? Fifth house is of your children. What is the ninth house? Ninth house is of your father. So your father is the foundation, the bunyad on which you stand up. And in your old age, your son or your child is the one who gives you company. So that is your sathi. So this is a very important triangle. This is called as a trine, Trine, or a trikon. Okay. So basically, for any graha seated in house A, I have just done the 159 something, but this anywhere it goes, it will rotate in the same thing. So इसके 5 घर पहले, fifth from that becomes its बुनियादी ग्रह, और उससे 5 घर आगे becomes its साथी ग्रह. So basically, if this is a planet and this is the bunyad, if the bunyad is weak, as in the planet is niche, or the planet is seated in a debilitated position, or the planet is seated in an enemy house, so it is weakened over here, then ह्याचा फाउंडेशनच वीक झालं, तर हा पुढे काय मारणार? आणि हा जर स्ट्रॉंग असला आणि हा जर वीक झाला तर इकडे तो पुढे त्याला काय सपोर्ट देणार? सो इट्स लाइक सेइंग इफ द फादर इज व्हेरी वीक or the father is very poor like that, then this fellow doesn't have any support from the father. He has to stand up on his own. And if he makes himself capable, then he will be able to support his son. So that is how the planets are trine works. So this will rotate anywhere and the same thing will happen. So Bunyadi Graha and Sati Graha. Well, this is another, these are some very important concepts. Now, one more thing which we'll be doing in detail today is what is called a Dhoke ka graha. Acha, by the way, sorry. This, how to remember this, Bunyadi and thing, the 159 you'll understand, but what we call as a 120 degree hit. In this is the Bunyadi Sati graha. Upon 120-degree hit, we say is a full positive hit. No? So the father is giving a full positive hit to the son, and the son is giving a full further 120-degree positive hit to his son. Okay. Similarly, if you remember, 90-degree hit is the danger thing, bad hit. So here, if you see the fourth from it, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10th from itself. What do you mean by 10th from itself? Suppose there is a planet here. 10th from it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit 10th house. So danger from 10th from itself. That is a dhoke ka graha. So this fellow will give dhoka to that planet. समझ लो? So basically, these 4 or 5 things which we have to understand is one is the aspects. Sujata, Sujata, you want to say something? Unmute kar.
Any planet 10th from it.
हाँ मुझे 30, 60, 90 झालं ना.
Huh.
So if it's here, from here it is 30, 60, 90. If it is
Okay.
first house,
Hmm.
12th house, 11th house, 10th house.
Correct.
10th from it. कसं असतं, see, if this is house 1, this is house 12, what
Correct.
is 12th from it?
बरोबर.
आधीचा preceding house is the 12th from it.
बरोबर.
11th ला आपण तसं धरत नाही, but 10th आहे. So 10th from it.
Okay.
Basically, what we do is, एक मिनट ऋषिकेश, what we do is 90 degrees and 120 degrees and 180 degrees over here
Right.
is still there, but
Okay.
in a different form.
Okay.
180 degrees here we consider as a major takkar.
Okay.
Here we consider as the arm drushti. It is just that you and I are playing badminton. Bas, that's all. I am not doing anything. आपण नुसते उभे आहेत असं, we are looking at, that's all. 90 degrees become dhoka.
धोका. Okay.
Dhoke ka graha. So that is a planet which will give dhoka. तो धोका दे. And
Okay.
120 degrees is our best thing.
Yeah.
That is the Sati graha and this thing.
Bunya.
इसी केस काय म्हणतो?
earlier one, the Bunyadi and दूसरा क्या होता?
Sati.
So first house they 5th and 9th, right?
So
Bunyadi is 9th and the other one is 5th.
correct.
But if there are no planets at 5th and 9th house,
then उसका weak बुनियादच weak झालं ना तसं. त्याचा आता what you say, the repercussions will come much later. So त्याचा आता let's not get into that. But to answer your question, basically is, it is like saying that you want to take off, पण तुझ्या खालती काहीच नाहीये. ऍटलीस्ट आता फळी तरी पाहिजे टू टेक ऑफ, किंवा काहीतरी जमीन तरी पाहिजे, काहीच नाही असं. सो देर इज नो फाउंडेशन. इट इज लाईक युअर स्टँडिंग अप विदाउट अ फाउंडेशन असं आहे, इन सिम्पल वर्ड्स. बट see, all these na are basically tools. They call it the tools. हे एकदा tools समजले ना, then when you start doing the interpretation and the analysis, then all this thing actually starts making sense. So since here in this session we have not reached the analysis part, you are not aware of how these things actually blossom. It's a wonderful thing. If you know this now, then interpreting becomes much easier. So anyway, so coming back to this, one was the 100%, that one muthi wala thing. One was the 25%, which was this and this, Z. Okay. And third was the 25%, which was 2 to 6, 6 to 12, and 8 to 2. And then there was a special drishti of Saturn from 6 to 2. There is a Mercury upon special drishti, but that I am not taking up just now. We'll take it later on. So this was our main aspect. Then just now what I discussed, the triangle, Bunyadi and the Sati graha. Bunyadi is the 9th house, which is your father. Sati is your child, which is the 5th house. So that becomes a triangle. Then third was the Dhoke ka graha, which is the 90 degree wala thing. So 10th from the house, 10th from this ulta is the Dhoke ka graha. Okay. And then was the Andrishti, which was basically the 180 degrees. Clear? So this is component 1. Now, anything you want to ask her, or should we move on? All okay? So unmute kar.
Saturn to Saturn from the 6th house to the 2nd house जे आहे, आणि second house again, it is also affecting the 6th house, right? That straight line coming down. So so what will you take? What will be the precedent in that?
ओके, अच्छा प्रेसिडेंट दोन्हीकडे असलं तर काय करणार असं. बेसिकली सॅटर्न हॅज द पॉवर टू गो अँड मेक द सेकंड हाऊस उद्ध्वस्त म्हणतात.
बरं
सो इट विल फिनिश ऑफ दॅट हाऊस ओनली. मग तिकडचा दृष्टीचा काही संबंधच येत.
बरं बरं बट
At least at this point of time we can say that. As it moves on, we just give me 1 minute.
हे सगळं आधीच्या आपल्या पोटलीपेक्षा किती वेगळं आहे ना.
खूप वेगळं पण आहे आणि तिथे आपण फक्त हेच बघत होतो.
There are lots of disparities. म्हणजे पराशरीमध्ये जर बघितलं आणि ह्याच्यामध्ये पाहिलं तर there are lots of differences. But once you start getting a little deep into this, you will actually start seeing a meaning in this. Which earlier we actually in the Potli thing, if you understood, we had put in Karak Tattva and all those things, and actually then it was blossoming. This is not done in the general astrology. This was what I had actually in a way discovered and put together. So if you go by general Parashari, then you have to make the योग बनवायला लागतं. मग ते असं काहीतरी 500 प्रकारचे योग आहे. ते दिलीप काका will tell, he has done all that in very detail. ते सगळं ते सगळं 300 400 500 ऍड करे पण आपलाच योग निघून जातो. त्यामुळे so this is very fast effective, but it is very vast. म्हणजे they say the लाल किताब is खट 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 कर, पण ते खटखट करायला आधी there is lot of effort. So that we'll see what to do. So should we go ahead or so far? Okay. Now the next point is what is called as Varshafal. Okay. Varshafal is in very simple word, it is your horoscope for your year. Okay. Only thing here, the difference between this and what you get in the newspaper is a generic thing based on your horoscope. So it is 2021's horoscope. But Varshfal for you is very specific only for you. So if your birthday is, let us say, 10th of March. So your Varshafal will start 10th of March 2021 to 9th of March 2022. So your Kundali moves. Your chart will move. Okay. Now here one thing there are two things you have to understand over here. One is that the Yuti मध्ये जे बसलेले असतात, they are not shaken. In the sense, first house planet, if there are 3 planets in first house, they will move as 3 only wherever. See, first of all, you have to understand the planets are going to move. They are not going to move like how we understand over here in Apna Gochar. They are not going to go in the same thing. They are going to interchange. It's a juxtaposed thing. I'll tell you how that moves also. So you actually don't need it. You don't need to do that. I've done it manually, and I'll show you that method also. But you don't need to do it because even AstroSage gives you that thing, whichever year you want. But you have to understand the technique. That's why I'm teaching you that or sharing that with you. So basically, 2 things happen. One is the planets move, and they move in any manner. They don't move in that same sequence. But while moving, if there are planets in Yuti, म्हणजे एका घरामध्ये 2 किंवा 3 किंवा 4 बसलेले आहेत, ते 4च्या 4 will move like that. So let us say, for example, in the first house, in your Rashi chart, there are 3 planets, Sun, Moon, Venus, let us say. In the Varshfal, now we'll understand in just 1 minute, suppose they are supposed to go to 7th house, and first house has to go to 7th house. Sun, Moon, Venus, all 3 will go to the 7th house. If in second house there is only Saturn, and in the Varshfal it has to go to 11th house, Saturn will go there. So 2 things. The planets will move, and they will move in any manner, which there is a table, I'll share that with you. But they'll move anywhere. You cannot predict it. And second thing is, they will move, that Yuti, that bunch will go like that. समझा क्या? श्रुति, तुम्हारा नाम ना तुम लोग खुद का डालो, मेरे को इन दैट थिंग आई किसी को भी
खुद का नाम है, खुद का नाम है, देखना।
रश, ओके रश, हाँ बोलो रश।
हाँ, अभी पुष्मी नहीं है, आज रश्मि, ऐसा है।
पुष्मी रश्मि है तो बोल।
Okay, see, you are saying कि they move randomly.
But that Yuti wala combination.
The planets are moving randomly. This is what you are saying.
Let's say how to explain? See, either there is one single planet in a house, or there are more than one, two, three, four, whatever. When there are, let us say, three seated together, these three are supposed to be in युति, conjunction. So एक तो ऐसा पकड़ लो कि they are going to move like this anywhere. You cannot predict it. You have to go by the table. तो किधर भी जाएंगे. पर तो किधर भी जाएंगे, अगर ये तीन बैठे हैं तो ये तीन के तीन ही किधर तो भी जाएंगे. ये जुड़ा जुड़ा नहीं होंगे. If Sun, Moon and Venus are there over here and they are moving, they will move together wherever they want, but they will be together only. They are not going to separate out forever.
बट वो सी माय पॉइंट इज लाइक हर एक प्लैनेट का अपना एक ये रहता है ना मूव होने का एक
Don't do that. Is
पैटर्न या स्टाइल. ओके, तो तीन है तो किसके पैटर्न पे वो जाएंगे?
forget that. You are putting in our KP का thing over here. KP का विंशोत्तरी दशा इधर नहीं है. KP का that movement of the गोचर का thing is not here. Here the गोचर is something different. Here it is totally different. Just for the time being, just take it without any discussion. Two things, that your planets, what we say gochar, let us say, your planets are going to move in a haphazard manner, and they will not go 1 से 2, 2 से 3, 3 से 4, 4 से 5 ऐसे जो अपन normally करते हैं वैसे नहीं जाने वाले. वो किधर भी ढबक करके जाने वाले हैं. There is a tabulation to follow that. And second thing is, the planets which are seated together in a specific house will move together. Let us say you, Rashmi, Shruti and Trupti are seated in one house and we are playing that musical chair sort of a thing. You three will be moving there, you three will be moving here, you three will be moving here. किधर भी जाओगे पर एक साथ ही जाओगे. Otherwise your entire destiny only will change if the yuti changes. Rush, you are pushed now.
Manish, this thing is unstable. Even I can't hear you properly.
Okay,
So
Rush.
मुझे आवाज कैसे आ रहा है? ऐसे. So I can't.
मैं बोल भी ऐसे रहा.
I thought if I'll stop the video, शायद.
Now can you hear me clearly?
हाँ, yes.
हाँ मुझे तो
So ये जो ये move करेंगे उस
हाँ
ये जो मूव करेंगे इसका कुछ तो डिफाइंड होगा ना.
आ ई उ आओ टम. Sorry, there's a lot of problem in the net here.
No, there you got it wrong. You got it wrong.
Okay, it's enough. Maskari.
I will teach you here then.
Okay, just understand two things. Don't ask any question. Just
Okay.
I have made some slides. अभी फिलहाल इतने के लिए दो ही चीजें ध्यान में रखो कि your planets in your Varshfal are going to go and get dumped anywhere. So much so that Rahu and Ketu might come to be next to each other also. They 100% go away from 180 degree. They are going to go somewhere. They may be बाजू के घर में also. That is one thing. And second thing is जो युति में conjunction में बैठे वो एक साथ ही घूमेंगे. वो जुड़ा नहीं होने वाले. बस no more discussion. इतना ही है. समझा? Now I'll show you what this thing is. Varshfal is. Now this is one sample Varshfal which I've done. A sample thing. Okay. What this you see here is that there is a stipulated table for 120 years, which is common for every damn person. It is applicable to you, it is applicable to me, it is applicable to everyone. So there is one universal table, जैसा अपना log table रहता है engineering का, वैसे this is a log table which is common for all. Now how to read it and how to interpret it. Okay, though you don't need to do this, the software does it, but फिर भी. On the left are all the ages from 1 to 120. Okay, so age 1 is what? 0, the time you're born from, it is the running year. So let's say you're born in 2010. So 2010 to 2011 is your first year, running year. So you have to catch the running year. So this is your running year. So today, let us say if I finish 25 years today, from tomorrow my 26th year is running, then I have to take the 26th over here. So here I have taken an arbitrary thing that as of today, let us say I have completed my 21st year. So माझं आता I am 22 running. So you have to look at this line. Okay. So first thing is in this chart of 120 years, you have to first of all identify what is your running year. So let us say like for my this thing, 10th March 1967. So from 10th March 2021, I will be 55 running. So just now till next month, I'm 54 running. So I'll show you that. I think I have kept that chart for you. So I'll show you that chart also. So anyway, let's take this arbit thing of 22. So first thing that what you have to identify is which is your running year for which you are taking out a Varshfal. You want to find out what your Varshfal is at 34, you take 34. If you want for today, so 22. Okay, this one. Now on top, these are the base house numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 to 12. What this means is, in very simple words, if I have to say, it is like, you know, the Lampani, I don't know how many of you have played that game, Trigoli, the tuck, the two, on that goatee would go into that place. Trigoli with the game. It is like this. First house, whichever planets are seated in your first house, this is your Rashi chart. Whichever planets are seated in the first house, in this year will go and settle in 10th house. Whichever are set in your Rashi chart in the second house will settle down in the 12th house. Whichever are in your 7th house will come and settle down in the 3rd house. This is how you have to read it. Now I have made a very hypothetical chart here. It has no bearing to anything. I have just randomly put anything. So here what do we have? Moon, nothing, nothing. Sun, Mercury, Venus, nothing. Rahu, Saturn, nothing, nothing. Mars, Jupiter, nothing. Ketu. Now if we see this, I have purposely made these lines also. Now first house, madla, it has gone and settled in 10th house. So your first house moon has gone and set in the 10th house moon for Varshfal at 22 running. Do you have anything in second? Do you have anything in third? So don't bother about it. You have something in fourth? Yeah. So Abhi Rashmi, now you see what is happening. Fourth house of planets, planet oblique S, planet ya planets are all precipitating and settling down in house number 7. So Sun, Mercury, Venus, which is in the 4th house, have gone and settled in the 7th house for this year. So this year they will give you the result from this house. At birth, they were giving you the result from this house. Similarly, 6th house may, whichever planet oblique S planets are there, they will go and settle in the 11th house. 6th house may Rahu hai. At birth, Rahu was giving you result in the 6th house. This year, it has gone and settled in the 11th house and it will give you the result from the 11th house. So here also, if you see Rahu and Ketu are just 4 houses away. Because Ketu, which was in the 12th house has gone and settled in 8th house. 12th house planets have gone and settled in the 8th house. So if I have to tell you this entire thing in a nutshell, okay, take a minute, one. First, identify the running year that you're looking at. There is a table like this, like a log table of 120 years. Find out the row of that year. That is point number 2. Then just find out तुमच्या कुठल्या कुठल्या घरामध्ये आहे. Let us say you have got planets in 1, 5, 9 and 12. Then see this thing, 1 ka house ka is settling down in which one? 5 ka is settling down in which one? 9 ka settling down in which one? 12 ka settling down in which one? And accordingly just put the planets there. That is your Varshfal for the year. With those planets, they are in Yuti, but their aspects will change. Because someone which was in 2 and which was in 8, which were looking at each other, this fellow might remain in 8 only, and this fellow might come in 7. So their aspect and everything changes. Rashmi, what do you say? Rashmi, you're frozen.
मनीष, ये जो वर्षफल, no.
Now we can hear you.
I can hear you.
Okay, ये जो वर्षफल है, Manish, always scare me, huh? ये जो वर्षफल है, ये जो चार्ट था, this is same for each and
every person. No, तो फिर क्या ऐसा हुआ? हम लोग सब मस्ती एकदम एक साथ ही चलो अपन
तो फिर वो कैसे मिलेगा हमारा?
In your chart, you will have to see where those planets are seated together, and then they will move together. मतलब जो
नो नो, अभी ये कैसे डिसाइड किया इसने कि वो फर्स्ट से फोर्थ पे आ जाएगा? हाउ यू डिसाइडेड?
बराबर है, पर आपके अभी
एज के हिसाब से
आपके first
मैंने नहीं डिसाइड किया।
अभी एज जिसका जिन सब
योर रनिंग एज में जो प्लैनेट्स जो आएगा हाउस, उसमें वो प्लैनेट ट्रैवल करेंगे.
So she's asking
not
how
necessarily that whatever you have in your first house, somebody else will have the
Oh,
same.
this
getting
chart
it.
is available somewhere, right, Manish?
yeah, it's a universal chart.
Okay.
मैंने खुद
हाँ,
नहीं,
तो फिर वो टेल अस दैट
अरे पहले दिन पहले मिनट से आई एम टेलिंग इट्स लाइक अ लॉग बुक, इट इज अ कॉमन चार्ट। आई सेड इट इज कॉमन फॉर मी, इट इज कॉमन फॉर यू, नो फॉर यू, आई सेड इट्स कॉमन फॉर यू।
हाँ, तो ऐसे इट्स कॉमन फॉर ऑल, तो फिर यू आर सेइंग नहीं, तो नहीं, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग इट। सपोज यू आर 25 नाउ, अभी जितने भी लोग 25 हैं, दे ऑल विल हैव द सेम थिंग।
अरे मेरी माँ,
बट उनके चार्ट्स तो अलग रहेंगे ना.
सी इवन तृप्ति अंडर
आज समझो ना 25 को, नो मनीष, 25 को
इसका आ हो जाता है,
जो लोग 25 इयर्स के हैं और जिनके पास वो कॉम्बिनेशन है,
वो सेम रहेगा उसका नसीब। हाँ, 1 मिनट,
नो आई डोंट हैव टू आस्क एनीथिंग।
1 मिनट, नहीं तुम्हारे साथ टूटत टूटत आ रहा है ना, इसलिए तू ऐसा ऐसा आ रहा है। I'll explain it.
My connection is unstable. That's why I'm keeping my video off.
You are किधर गए हो? See, 1 minute. हाँ, दिसत नहीं सही। Rashmi, are you there?
Yes, yes.
Okay, now understand one thing. Two people having the same damn chart, is it possible? Firstly, it's a very, 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 very rare thing. Okay, it's a rare thing that your chart and somebody else's chart is exactly identical. Difficult, unless you're born at the same time at the same place. Okay, okay, that is one thing. Second thing is the degrees of the planets will also change. No? Unless you find somebody who's born at the very same minute, at the very same time, at the very same place. So let us take a general this thing that all our charts are different. You have something in the first house, she has something in the same planet in the third house, I have something in the fifth house, something like that. And then it is in that year. Okay, let's look at it this way. Let us say first, let's look at first house only. And we are saying this year first house planets are going to the seventh house. I have got sun in the first house. This girl has got moon in the first house. This girl has got Venus in the first house. Today, my sun is going to go to the fifth house. Your Venus is going to go to the first house, and her moon is going to go to the fifth house. So, how is our destiny in any way also linked? Now, for me, the sun will start giving effect from the fifth house. For her, it will give moon from that house. For her, Venus will give from that house. समझ लो रश्मि, रश्मि अपन धर्मशाला में बात करते हैं।
Yes, kind of.
समझा ना?
See, my net is very unstable. If I keep the video on, मुझे आवाज भी नहीं आता है. So at least I keep the video off.
ये keep a video on, तकलीफ देने को अच्छा लगता है फिर। ऐसा ब्लैंक वॉल को छड़ने को मजा नहीं
ठीक है,
आता।
चलेगा,
आदमी का एक्सप्रेशन ऐसा दिखता है ना, फिर अच्छा लगता है अपना, फिर बरोबर पहुंचा।
चलेगा,
Have you understood this version?
चलेगा.
Or by this, at the end of the
Anything for you, Guruji.
at the end of this discussion, I think I forgot what Varshfal was only. इतका ते गोंधळ झाला. I'll repeat again in a nutshell. Varshfal, whichever year you're looking at, you have to find out what is going to be your running year in that year. So let us say the simplest thing that you will be looking for the next year, right? Or this year, where however your birthday is. Like for example, if my birthday is coming in 10 days time, I am not bothered about what I should do in 20 to 21. I am looking at 21, 22. So then I will show you the calculation which I have done for myself also. So that is the calculation. So I have to see 55 running. So 55 का row देखने का मेरे को. Once I see the 55 row and I say, let us say I have highlighted it, then I have to see in my main chart, Rashi chart, where are the planets? Okay, so I will give you my own example. My first house is empty, so I don't have to bother कि first house planet किधर जाने वाले. Second house में I have got two planets, Mars and Ketu. So then I have to find out if, let us say they are saying this is going to fifth house. So my Mars and Ketu will go to fifth house. Then let's say third house, I don't have anything. Let's say fourth house, I've got moon. I'm just taking hypothetical. Fourth house, I've got moon, let us say. I don't have, but I'm telling you. So 4th house I've got moon, and in this Varshfal it is saying the 4th house moon is going to go to 11th house. But this moon goes there. 6th house, now let us say I have got Venus, Saturn, and Jupiter. And in this year it has to go to, it has to remain in 6th house only, or whatever, wherever else. So udhar hi baithega. That also happens. It stays in the same house also. And now,
मनीष एक मिनट सॉरी हाँ अभी यू सेड वीनस सपोज 3 प्लैनेट्स यू सेड और उसमें लिखा है तो अभी सपोज वीनस का लिखा है कि वो 6th में रहेगा मरकरी का लिखा है कि वो 8th में जाएगा तो विच रूल यू आर गोइंग टू फॉलो
planet का नहीं दिया है, house का दिया. First house goes to 5th house.
ओके ओके
Second house goes to 11th house, whatever it is.
गॉट इट
one more thing, the Rahu Ketu
Mute झाली. काय?
राहू केतू 180 degrees से इकडे ते प्रिन्सिपल राहत नाही.
Because see, you have to understand one very thing. Actually, you all are fortunate. I have made a slide and showed you. This was all explained on a WhatsApp voice message. कसं करायचं देव जाणे. कुठलं तरी मागच्या जन्मीचा पाप आहे. See, basically काय आहे? It is very simple. It is like a, you know how the wiring goes in this thing. You know, so here there are those circuit points or MCBs, those basic circuit breakers over here, and here there are so many bulbs. Look at it like this. Let's look at 12 live wires and 12 bulbs. I am saying I will take the second wire and connect it to the 11th bulb. I will take the 5th one and I will connect it to the 5th bulb only. I will take the 7th one and I will connect it to the 1st one.
मॅच द फॉलोइंगच करायचंय फक्त रूल्स मेंटेन करून.
नेक्स्ट इयर मला कंटाळा आला. आय डोंट वॉन्ट दिस. आय रिमूव्ड इट. मग 5th ला होतं ते 5th ला होतं ते काढून मी 11th ला लावलं. 11th चं होतं ते काढून आय पुट इट ऑन द सेकंड वन. 1st चं होतं आय पुट इट ऑन द थर्ड वन. Like that. So basically it can go randomly, but that randomness has to be followed on that chart. But it's as simple as that. If you understand how to follow that chart, you can make it. Now the best part is that you don't have to do any of this. If you feed in your data, the normal data, that AstroSage gives you whichever year you want. Okay, that's the easy part of it. But this I wanted to tell you because this is an interesting thing. If you don't have this thing, you can do this, or you can cross-check it with this. This tabulation, I'll give you that table. It's across 3 or 4 sheets only. You can print it out if you want. So whenever the AstroSage gives you, you can cross-check it with this. Now, Rashmi, this one thing which you spoke of Varshfal, Rashmi, like with me. Rashmi, imagine this was taught on WhatsApp voice message. इसके बाद में it gets more and more and more and more complicated. From there it goes to Varshfal से लेके महीना कुंडली, महीना कुंडली से it goes to दिन कुंडली, दिन कुंडली से it goes to घंटा कुंडली, from घंटा कुंडली it goes to minute कुंडली. And उसका calculation is damn bloody complicated. जो मेरे को 100 out of 100 मिला है, put it over there, but it is damn complicated. So I don't think we need to do that. Because मिनट में क्या करने का क्या मालूम, मिनट में क्या होने वाला उसका कैलकुलेशन करने को 5 मिनट लगता है. वो मिनट निकल गया, क्या करने का वो मिनट में क्या करने का, घंटे में भी क्या करने का, what you going to do. Of course, if you want to see whether it's going to be a fruitful hour or not, you can pray. पर इतना सब वो करते जाएंगे ना, you will become weak minded. I think at the most you can see a महीना कैसे जाने वाला है, or at the most if there is a specific day which there is something going to happen, then you check it. Otherwise, I don't think you should go to that level. So that at a later stage, I'll share that technique, because if this technique has only taken so long, that technique will take 1 week to understand. So, ये फिलहाल अभी इतना ही रखते हैं, then we will go further on. Okay, should I go to the next topic?
मनीष, मग त्या वर्षासाठी if that planet is in another house, तर त्या हाऊसचे सगळे aspect follow होते.
All these things, this becomes a Lagna chart for that day.
Oh.
That is how that year. See, because now look at it in a different way. If you remember in our basic KP we were doing earlier, what we are saying कि दशा जैसी बदलते तसे ते planets तिकडे येतात. In Gochar they are coming and seated over there. We are saying, we talk about Gochar, na? This is a Saturn will take 2.5 years to move from one Rashi. Rahu Ketu will take 18 months to move. Jupiter will take 1 year to move. Sun will take 30 days to move. Mars will take 49 days to move. Moon will take 2.25 days to move. So basically, when we were trying to see that let's say this year, what is going to happen? We don't have a generalized overall thing. We can go to the month and see, okay, this month when this fellow is coming here. So you can, you can predict what is going to happen that month, which we never did. Here it is even more simpler because it gives you a complete chart for that year, the chart for the month, the chart for the day, the chart for the hour, the chart for the minute. And I will show you that actually the calculation which I have done, I think I have it here. And I'll just see if it is here. Just give me 1 minute. I'll get it for you. Okay, can you all see this? This was the one which I had given. So I'll go zoom in and show you. But this, of course, I had done for the last year. So, so last year, which is actually going on just now. So 54th running wave. This was the sequence which I extracted from that chart. So since I know Photoshop मैंने उठा के कर दिया, those other guys poor thing वो हाथ से सब लिख रहे थे, like they normally write. Let me see if I can get. ये दिख रहा है इधर कैसे लिख रहे हैं? 110, 212, 32. This is how they normally write. हम लोग इधर सब चैंपियन है फोटोशॉप वीडियोशॉप इसलिए ऐसा बना है पट करके देवर स्टम्प कौन से सॉफ्टवेयर ने बनाया सिर्फ सॉफ्टवेयर में नहीं बनाया मैंने बनाया सिर्फ लाइन भी वो सॉफ्टवेयर में नहीं बनाया तो दे थॉट मैंने ऐसे चिपका दिया डायरेक्टली सो एनीवेज सो बेसिकली इफ यू सी हियर दिस इज द रनिंग ईयर थिंग so one car will go to 5th, second will go to 11th, third will go to 3rd only, so on and so forth. Then what I did was, here I put the dots of which are actually moving in my chart. So second house something is moving, 6th house, 7th house, 8th house is moving, 6th, 7th, 8th, and 11th house is moving. So I don't need to see any other. So when I do this, if you see here, I'll just zoom in over here so you can see. So basically, second house planets are going to 11th house. Abhi Rashmi dhyan do idhar. Second house planets are going to 11th house in this year, or which is going on. 6th house planets are going to 1st house. 6th house, all three are come here. 7th house have gone to 6th house. So 7th house have gone to 6th house. 8th house have gone to 2nd house. 8th house have gone to 2nd house. And 11th house have gone to 7th house. So 11th house has gone to 7th house. Now this becomes more complicated. ये जो महीना है ना, this महीना कैसा है कि 10th March 2021 से मेरा पहला महीना शुरू होता है ऑफ दैट ईयर एंड विच गोज टू 9th April 2021. So if you want to see कि March 2021 में कौन सा how that thing is going to be, it is based on this. Let's not get into that because it will be very complicated. It's very complicated. Let's not get into that. But I'll just tell you, based on this, which is your Varsh Kundli, you are supposed to do a heavy calculation and you come to the Mahina Kundli. Based on this, you go to the Din Kundli. From the Din Kundli, it's like that. I don't even want to describe it. If you understand it, it is fantastic. But to understand it is a pain. And I'll just tell you one thing. Let me just pause this thing. Okay, so that was Varshfal ka calculation. Again, I'm saying you will get it ready-made in the thing, so you don't have to break your head. But Varshfal ke aage ka, like Mahina Kundli and Din Kundli, I have not seen any software. And that software which I bought, that one which I told you, 850 rupees ka. It is, frankly, I don't need to get into that because there are two things which are good. One is that it gives you the Varsh Kundli very fast, immediately. And click करोगे लगे next year हो जाता है. So if you want to see how 2036 is going to be, also it will give you. That is one good thing. Second thing is, it has given predictions in the sense that moon in this house, and then there's a big paragraph of that. And then how that reflects on your palm that they've given over there. So I don't think you all need to get into that. It is not required. If you need any, like what we are doing at KP Saran, if you need some specific kundalis or some specific year, which I doubt you require, you tell me, I'll make it and give it. Or alternatively, I found one Excel online. I don't know, anonymous. it gives you that in an Excel sheet. It's very good. It actually makes the kundli. I'll share that with you all. You have to install it. Okay. Should we go to the next one? Dhoke ka grah. Okay. Now Dhoke ka grah is a very important thing. Dhoke ka grah in the basic Lagna chart is that 90 degrees piche wala, 10th from that planet. So it is 30, 60, 90. That hit is a Dhoke ka grah. So this fellow is a dhoka for this guy. Now what they say is, like how we got the Kismat ka grah jo ekach asto. Kismat ka grah ekach hai for you and it is permanent throughout your life. Okay. तसं धोके का ग्रह एकच असतो, but every year it changes. Because since it goes in this fashion, this one who was 10th, somebody else might come as 10th. Okay, something like that. So I'll show you the technique. I just hope that it does. If this was heavy, मला तर भीती वाटते की ते तेवढं डोक्यात जाईल की नाही. ठीक आहे, let's try. Okay, it's not difficult, but it can't get easier than this. They open with great ego and telling you that. But it's okay. Let's go for it. Let's see what happens. Where is it now? Okay, now these are the this is the technique to find out how to find out Dhoke ka grah in Varshfal. Okay, now this chart is called as a base kundli, and I'm repeating, this is common for all. It is just one template. Okay, so this is going to be a permanent template. Okay, so I will share this with you also. You don't need to copy just now, but if you just pay attention. So Sun, Moon, Ketu, Mars, Mercury, Saturn, Rahu, none, Jupiter, Venus, none. Don't ask me what it is or what not. Just this is just a template. Okay. Now I have written down the steps over here for you to understand, and I'll show you how I've done it manually also later. So step 1, calculation of the Dhoke ka grah. Take the running year in the Varshfal. Okay. So if I'm doing now, this time I did it for my coming year, because when I gave him the 54th year ka thing, he gave me the upay for that. And I said, boss, there are only 13 days left. He said, don't do that. Make the chart for the 55th one. So they put me 2 minutes kar dila. Again, he was stumped. He said, इतना जल्दी कैसे हुआ? I said, अभी मैं क्या बताऊँ कैसे हुआ तो क्या डालो. Anyway, तर ये जो calculation है, so I have taken it for my present year. So take the running age in the Varshfal. Okay, it's a very simple formula. Brother. Add 1 to it. 56. Now this component, there are some conditions for it. You have to minus the house number in which Sun is seated. So if Sun is seated in the 9th house, you'll have to divide, you'll have to minus 9 over here. Okay. So this is the house in which the Sun is seated. To understand the Dhoke ka grah for that year, you have to catch only Sun. So now here I have arbit given a -9. This is a hypothetical thing, but there are conditions. First condition is deduct the house number of Sun. Second condition, I'll repeat this properly, don't worry. Second one is, if Sun is in your 6th house, like it is in my case, if you know in my Rashi, this thing, Sun is in the 6th house. So if Sun is in the 6th house, here you deduct 9. If your Sun is in the 9th house, you deduct 6. If Sun is in the 7th house and first house is empty, then you deduct 5. If Sun is in the 7th house and there is a planet in the first house, you deduct 7. Hey, imagine कर voice message वरती कसं कळलं असतं आणि किती लोकांना कळलं असतं. And it's a unique case.
And it's in Hindi.
Huh?
And it's in Hindi.
And what if whatever that you mentioned, तिथे sun नसेल तर?
नाही, तिकडे sun नाही. See, basically you have to catch the sun. All of you just pay attention. You have to catch the sun. Now there are 5 permutation combinations for this. Let us say Sun is in the 1st house, 2nd house, 3rd house, 4th house, 5th, 8th house, 10th house or 12th house, whatever. Just okay, let's say it is in wherever sun is, you have to catch that house and put it over there for deduction. Now there are two permutation combinations for this. One is either the sun is in the 6th or 9th, then you deduct the opposite thing. मतलब if 6th मध्ये आहे तर -9 करो, 9 में अगर बैठे तो -6 करो. This is one condition. Don't ask me why. Second condition is if your sun is in the 7th house. Okay, I'll explain this again. If the sun is, because this is a very important thing. If sun is in the 7th house and your first house is empty, you -5 from it. First house is empty, you -5 from it. If your sun is in the 7th house and a planet is also seated over there, you -7 from it. So I'm repeating again. Whichever is your running year, you add 1 to it. So it becomes your running year +1. Like पुढचा birthday झाला. Then you catch the sun and you deduct the house in which the sun is seated. Now if you realize we had 6, 9 and 7, 1. So 6, 9, 7, 1 छोड़ के बाकी का कोई भी हाउस आ जाएगा बुक करके उधर आ जाएगा. 1 -1 हो जाएगा, 2 -2 ये हो जाएगा, 3 -3 हो जाएगा, 4 हो जाएगा, 5 -5 हो जाएगा. 6, 9 and 7, 1 छोड़ के बाकी सब वैसे के 8th हाउस में तो -8 हो जाएगा. If it is in the 6th house, like it is in my case, I have to deduct 9. If in your this thing sun is in your Rashi house in the 9, then you deduct 6. If it's in 8, -8. If it is in 10, you -10. If it's 11, -11, 12, -12. Now, other option is if your sun is in the 7th house, then you have again two conditions. If first house is empty, you -5. If first house has a planet over there, you -7. बस की सो रही है क्या? नहीं. You have a doubt? हाँ. What?
I have a doubt as in मुझे कुछ समझा ही नहीं. If ये इधर नहीं है तो ये माइनस कर से कैलकुलेशन फॉर सन ऐसा मून के लिए भी करेंगे.
I think you are missing out on my sentence. I said that you have to catch only the sun. सूर्य को ही पकड़ना है. There is nothing. We are finding the sun position. I understand what I'm saying. Don't ask me the logic.
So sun is always going to be the धोखे का ग्रह.
नहीं बाबा. That is I have just told you 25% of the calculation. और आगे लटम्बर है उधर उसके आगे. ठहर जरा. We have not yet reached the धोखे का ग्रह. We have just started on the calculation. There is a lot of calculation ahead. Bear with me. So first of all, in this calculation, in this calculation, the first step, second step, third step, so there are 9 or 10 steps. Then you will get a धोखे का ग्रह. First step is what? Get your running year. Second step is what? Add 1 to it. Third step is what? Deduct the house in which the sun is seated. अभी इसको parallel issues 5 conditions है ये.
अथर्व मला एक दे.
दपाटा. So इकडे माइनस जो करने का है तो that has 5 conditions which I just explained. समझ में आया इधर तक? ओके, इसके आगे मैं प्रयत्न करतो शिकांत.
ऐक ना, एकच प्रश्न. हे सगळं आपण बर्थ चार्ट वर न करतोय. इट इज नॉट फ्रॉम बाय वर्षफल चार्ट. ओके.
Current, see, this is the birth chart. Then the template is, so इधर तक मालूम पड़ा, your running year +1 equals to so much, minus 6, mine this thing is in the 6th house, I -9 over here. You get to some total. अभी जरा ध्यान दो, जरा थोड़ा सा it can go जरा wonky. It's simple. 55 + 1, 56, -9, 47. Divide by 12. Don't ask me why. Divide by 12. Okay, you will get some full number and some balanced number. or you may get a full number also. Suppose this was 48, you would have got 4. वो जरा थोड़ा टाइम बाजू में रखो. Let us look at this case only where we have got 3. What is the balance? 11. 12 3s are 36 plus 11 becomes 47. So 11, ये बेस चार्ट में 11 देखने का. 11th हाउस में कौन सा ग्रह बैठा है? वीनस. So Venus is the धोखे का ग्रह for that year. Okay. Now,
Can you please repeat?
yeah. Once
I missed the last part. Yeah.
this you have understood, 40, whatever this total came, you have to
Yes.
divide by 12. Finish.
Yeah.
Now that total will either come as a full digit, 48 divided by 12, 4 here. वो जरा at the moment बाजू में रखो. Let's look at a case where it is not a full number. So it will come as a full number and a decimal. So 47 divided by 12 is 12 3s are 36 plus 11 is 47. So has a balance राहिलेला आहे. Whatever is balance here, look at that house in the base chart, in the template, which is again I am repeating common for all. उधर अगर तुमको ग्रह मिला तो वो तुम्हारे ये साल का धोखे का ग्रह है. This is a very important thing, okay? Because this, once you understand and you understand how to compute, you have to be careful about that graph for this year. Rashmi, you want to ask anything?
Yes. Can we do it with one chart, like, you know, anything, so that it will be clear?
This is the chart only. This is a live chart. जो मैंने उधर किया मैंने तुम लोगों के लिए टाइप करके दिया किया. It's my chart.
Actually, I cannot read it out clearly because it's too small.
ये अभी don't read it on, you know, I am explaining to you. Why are you bothering to read now? I will send you this chart separately. You see it later on. Just now understand the technique. That is more important.
Okay, so can we take another chart and do it step by step?
तो पहले एक तो first तो समझ तो लो.
Okay.
I have given you a live chart, my chart only. So it can't be even more authentic. So basically here, if you see this total 27, 3.11 आया, तो 11th house in the template में कौन सा Venus है ना? So that is ये पहले shot में मेरा मिल गया. तो Venus is the धोखे का ग्रह for the next 1 year. ठीक है? So wherever Venus is seated in my next, so this is my 55 running का chart, which is this next year, so next month.
पानी दे दे मुझे एक गिलास.
मुझे भी है ठंडा. तो बेसिकली ये
एक गिलास छोटो एक गिलास पानी.
वेटर. तो ये बेसिकली Venus which is seated here is going to be the धोखे का. So whatever Venus is, you know, sort of aspecting ये वो something, that has to be analyzed. That's a separate thing. Let's not get into that. So again coming back to here, we have still not gone into the other permutation component. अभी ये 11 मिला ना, तो 11 इधर मिला. Okay. Now suppose you had got 8. 8 is empty. So what do I do? If it is empty, either fully mila, so you go to your base chart, your basic Rashi chart, and see which grah is there. That becomes your धोखे का grah. This is condition 2. I have given it here, so you don't need to write down also. I have written decimal shows the house of धोखे का grah in base kundli. The धोखे का grah in your Varshfal is for that year. In case the house is empty in the base kundli like 8, 9, 12, then look in your Lagna kundli in that house. If that too is empty, then I'll tell you. First, A तक करूँगी.
What if you get after decimals, say you have 5, 6,
What is 5, 6?
म्हणजे 2.56 असं आलं तर किंवा 2.66 असं आलं तर.
असं येणारच नाही.
You are not making decimals. You are actually counting. 12 3s are 36. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. 11. It's not a decimal thing. It is actually a calculation. 36 झाल्यानंतर किती बार? See, 47 divided by 12. Let's say 48 असतं. So 48 divided by 12 would have been 4. I have given you 47, one less. So 36 full झालं plus 11. So that 11 you have to take. Okay. Now, without a chart only, I will tell you that might be easier for you to understand. How to find the धोखे का ग्रह? 3.11 आ गया. बेस चार्ट में देखो, बेस चार्ट है टेम्पलेट में, उधर जो भी ग्रह है वो तुम्हारा धोखे का ग्रह हो गया. दैट इज फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. जैसे मेरे इसमें फट करके मिल गया. सपोज यह धोखे का ग्रह 3.8 आ गया, तो you see the base template 8. If you remember 8, 9 and 12 are fully. So 8 में धोखे का ग्रह है नहीं, तो क्या it's धोखे का ग्रह नहीं है? ऐसे नहीं है धोखे का ग्रह. So then you see in your base chart, in your Lagna chart. Like in my Lagna chart, Rahu is there. So suppose it was 8, Rahu would have been my धोखे का ग्रह. Suppose in my chart 8th house is also empty. Then पक्का घर किसका है देखो. पक्का घर में अगर दो प्लैनेट्स है, जैसे 8th हाउस में मरा एंड साला है ना, मर गया साला मर गया, सो मरा तो मार्स एंड सैटर्न बोथ आर देयर. तो इसमें से कौन सा लेने का? तो यू रिमेंबर दैट सीरीज आई गिवन यू दैट एक्टिवेशन एजेस का. तो मार्स कम्स अबव सैटर्न, सो मार्स बिकम्स योर. Imagine this on WhatsApp audio, then you'll understand the plight that I go through. And these are simple things what I'm telling you. You have still not come to the complicated things. I feel pity for myself at times. I pity myself. क्यों कर रहे हो तुम ये? क्यों कर?
How do you get everything on WhatsApp? They don't teach you?
It's all audio. I have not seen the fellow's face also. It's all audio, voice recorded, forwarded. Bas, that's all. And sometimes some image comes, so that image goes somewhere and the audio comes, so you can't even relate to it. Here I have made this one specific, this chart I have done only for you. This afternoon I made it. This is not my notes. I'll show you my notes. One minute. Just gammat mat daapho. It's worth seeing. I don't know whether इकडे आहे का मला माहित नाही. I don't think I must have downloaded it actually. I'll send it later. नाही, I don't have. I'll send it later. म्हणजे असं धड करून notes असे केलेले आहेत. And हाँ, it will be here actually. Yeah. I don't know whether you can see it. Here and this is the entire calculation here. Oh, sorry. This what I made it as a chart, no, is here. The 6, 9, something I think you will be able to read. 6A, 9 this there, 6 this there, 7 minus this there, whatever. It's come as a mirror image, but the entire chart which I've done is all put over here. And this what he's talking, I'm writing down and trying to decipher. Then again I'm listening to the audio and doing it. And then the big calculation which I did, कुठे मला माहिती नाही that paper. This is the calculation, if you can see. A calculation है minus. Here this has come as a balance. This balance is here. In my chart it is here. This is the thing. This is the धोखे का ग्रह. ये सगळं the entire calculation is in this much. And then he's saying कितना गोल गोल करते हो. But गोल गोल एका सरळ लाईन लिहिलेलं गोल कसं झालं? Anyway. So far, have you understood? I'll repeat the entire thing. Once you get to that digit 3.8 or whatever, that 0.8 is now the important thing. So look in the base chart, find out which graha is there. If there's a graha in that base chart, that becomes a dhokhe ka graha. If there's a fully over there, you go to your Rashi Kundi and see that graha will be there. If there are more than one graha, you'll have to take that series. Jupiter, Sun, Moon, that wala thing. If there is no planet there also, see the pakka ghar ka things. If there is more than one over there, the senior one will be the thing. Then the dhokhe ka graha is something for which you need to do the upaya for that. That's a different ball game.
Okay, so assuming ki whatever that age is, okay, मग त्याला आपण प्लस केला 1, मग त्याच्यानंतर assuming की ते 6th हाऊस मध्ये जे तर आपण -9 केलं.
हिंदी के इंग्लिश में बस पूरा पहला Talking
As-
Hindi or English, Rashmi won't understand. Even to please a foreigner, she also doesn't understand. Talk in English.
Okay. So assuming if somebody's age is say whatever 40 pakad leta 40 plus 1, okay, then it comes to 41. Now 41 may say assuming that the sun is in the 6th house, so we deduct 9. So correct, no? So then the total comes to 32. Okay. So
But-
you say 32 divided by 12.
So what you tell me the total now? 32 divided by 12.
24.8.
Yeah.
20.8.
8, no?
2.8. No?
2.8.
8.
Right. So then we have to consider 8.
Okay, now you tell me ahead. Pude kya hai? Both
So then whatever planet that is in the 8th house
in
is
the
something.
8th has no planet. 8th has no planet.
in the base chart.
8, 9, 12 has had no
Acha,
planet.
okay. In the base. Okay.
The base.
And then if there is no planet in the base house, then what do? We go to the
With Rashi chart.
Lagna Kundali. Okay. And then we look at the 8th house.
If that decimal which comes as 8 or 9 or 12, there is a fully there. So you go back to your Rashi Kundali. So whichever planet is there becomes a thing. If there are more than one planet, then the series will higher one will come. If there is no planet over there, then वो house का पक्का कर दे. Let us say for 9th house. 9th house में पक्का घर किसका है वो? Jupiter का. बरोबर ना? Jupiter असा है ना? So Jupiter is the पक्का घर over there. ऊंचा and नीच is केतु राहु. आठवतं ना? राहु केतु. So that is केतु राहु. But पक्का घर कौन Jupiter? So Jupiter becomes your धोखे का घर. असा.
Now what after that?
So that धोखे का ग्रहाचा उपाय करायला लागतो. That's what I just said. I said, but we are not getting into that just now.
Acha, okay.
So if there is some planet which is going to give you dhoka for this year, that planet has to be sun. बरोबर ना? So that is the next step, which I'm going to talk to you about just now. That's
Okay, now one more doubt. So you mentioned about 6th house, 9th house, 5th house, something. But you didn't mention about the first, second, third house.
There's nothing there. I said that when you deduct that -9, age plus 1 minus the sun's house. So if then there are those 5 conditions, you have to deduct sun ka house unless sun is in 6th house or 9th house or 7th house. These three also the permutation combinations.
आता
One
मला
question.
एकदम कळलेलं आहे. एकदमच कळलंय मला.
Hello, Manish. हाँ, जर समजा that धोके का ग्रह the chart you shared त्याच्यामध्ये in any house it is there, then you don't have to see your birth chart, right? Then that is धोके का ग्रह for you.
Suppose you get that first become 3.1 आला. So 1 मध्ये sun आहे ना तिकडे. Sun is your for that year.
अच्छा, for that year only. Okay.
And if it is empty to काय म्हणालास, which one should we take?
Your birth chart.
No. Empty in the birth chart. Then he's given us one where it is.
Then if
You
you
have to look in your Lagna Kundali, and in the Lagna Kundali, if that particular 8, 9, 12 is empty, then which is what you have to look at?
पक्का घर of that house. पक्का घर. See, it's very simple. One is that you have to take off from that base chart. So whatever the balance digit you get, you see in the base chart. So other than 8, 9, 10, 12, there are some planets in the other houses, other 9 houses. So if you get your that thing, let us say you get 3.6. So 6th house में जो कुठला planet असेल, I think Mars है तिकडे or whatever it is, I don't know it by heart. So that becomes a धोखे का घर, finished. Suppose you get 8 or 9 or 12, your base chart is empty, then you go to your own chart. If your own chart is also empty, then that whichever house you're got at 8, त्याचं पक्का घर तर पक्काच राहणार आहे, इरिस्पेक्टिव्ह वेदर यू हॅव अ प्लॅनेट ऑर नॉट. 8th हाऊस इज मार्स अँड सॅटर्न. टू धोके का ग्रह नाही होत, एकच असते. सो आउट ऑफ दिस द वन विच इज सिनियर becomes your धोके का. So what actually you need to do is, एक तो on AstroSage you will get this your Varshfal. Varshfal I'm saying, okay, Varshfal. And you calculate a धोखे का ग्रह based on this, based on that year, because your running year will make the difference. No? Today, like I am looking for 55, some you may be looking for 26 or 27, whatever it is, I don't know. So take a room, then you find out which is your धोखे का ग्रह. And then see that Varshfal, where it is seated and what it, then that you will be able to do the Karaka and all of that and understand.
Okay, so that template is not fixed. That your template has to be checked for that Varshafal.
Base chart is universal. I have not made it. It is
Okay.
there. It's there in the scriptures.
Okay, so that we have to follow that only base chart.
It's a template, like a logbook. You have to look at that only. So the first one was the big chart of 120 years, which I will share with you later on. That is, if you are going to make it manually, then you require it. So you don't require it. But this template you will require it, because this you have to do manually. So this calculation is very important. If you don't understand the steps, you will get some other dhokhe ka grah. Have you understood? Do you want me to repeat all this or you will understand? Okay.
That template आपण ग्रुप वरती आपण प्रिंट आउट काढून ठेवायचे ना.
No, I will share no with you. काय ते ॲस्ट्रोसेज, हे म्यूट आहे, ॲस्ट्रोसेज आहे ते. त्याच्यामध्ये धोके का ग्रह दिलाय.
नाही याच्यामध्ये ते आता हे वर्षी कुंडली 2020.
That's what I told you. You can go only up to Varsh Kundli in these free things. You can't go beyond that. You can't go to Mahina, you can't go to Din, and you don't get all these other things. Now, धोके का ग्रह भी, I don't know whether they will be giving in that.
हे नाही आहे, ते आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करायला लागेल.
It's all general prediction there. I told you, right, the other day. It's all written general.
Don't get carried away. It is like those Marjorie Over type things like that. It is सगळ्यांचं same. We are getting into specifics. Why do we even bother about these things? So don't even get carried away by that. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Should we go to the next? Should we go to the next this thing? Okay. Now, before I talk about that next thing, which is एक मिनट कोणतं भांडतंय जरा, एक मिनट. मी जातो तर तुम्ही सगळे शांतपणे गुड बॉय आणि गुड गर्ल सारखे बसतो होते. आवाज नको तर व्हेरी गुड. ओके. नाही, there are some dogs fighting. I thought they were my dogs. So कोण बाहेरचे. Okay. Somebody was asking something. Who was asking? Did anyone ask any question before I left? No. Okay. So I was telling about the next thing की कुठला ग्रह स्थापित करायचा. So basically, the remedy part is where you will be moving the planets to a favorable condition, or if it's a bad planet, moving it out from there. In very simple words, if something is bad, you want to remove it. If something is good, you want to build up on it. But whether the planet should be kept there or should be moved out is the important thing. Okay, and for that, this story which this person told me, it seems to be very interesting story. त्याच्याने लक्षात येतं. He took one full 2 hour turn to say that. I'll tell you in literally 3 minutes. Okay, the story basically is, I'll just put this on. Yeah, okay. So here I've written to establish a planet Stapit. Okay, by the way, I just want to tell you all earlier also that when you all, I'll be sharing my notes also with you all. My notes are as it comes to my head, I put it over there without thinking of grammar or spelling or anything, but you will understand. म्हणजे I would have written if you have to स्थापित planet over here, तर ते लक्षात घ्यायला पाहिजे की म्हणजे कारण माझं हिंदी मधून ऐकतोय आणि लिहितो इंग्लिश मध्ये, so that is what you have to understand. Okay, so you'll understand from this. So basically here I've written to establish a planet Stapit in a specific house. That is to say, this is important, okay, that you want the effect of that planet in that specific house. So when you say that I want to make this planet Stapit in this house, it is that you want to either get the effect of that planet in that house, or you want to dafna it over there. So it's you need to check that when you move a planet to a specific house, this is something, okay, you forget this I'll tell you later on. Now, if you have to stapit a planet in the first house, you wear it around your neck. So let us say you have to stapit Jupiter in first house, you will wear a gold chain on your neck because gold is Jupiter. If you have to stapit any planet in the second house, place it in the mandir or dharmasthana, because as per this thing, what is it called, Lal Kitab, second house is the dharmasthana. जसा earlier we used to say ninth house is the dharmasthana. Here second house is the dharmasthana. Okay, mandir. If you have to stapit it in a third one, wear it around your wrist like this, what I'm wearing. Okay, so wear it in your wrist as a ring or a kada. Fourth one is Jal Prava. Fourth is moon. Moon is Jal Prava. Third, if you remember, is aeroplane. So wrist है तो. Second one, you have to understand that it is the holy Dharmastan. So basically that mandir will come into play. Fifth, municipal school. How to remember this is, fifth house is, I don't know whether you remember, fifth house is a house of education also. So fifth house, so municipal school. Okay, I'll explain this with some examples also. Sixth house is put in a well. And sixth house, if you remember, is Patal. You remember? Sap, Patal. So Patal is where whenever you touch water underground, that is Patal. You start digging, the minute you touch water, that is Patal. So put in a well. Seventh is bury in the ground. If anything you dafna in the ground, that is getting stapit in the seventh house. Now whatever you do, wherever it is there. Eighth is bury in a crematorium compound, or then you put it in the mandir. I'll explain all this. Ninth one is donate to a religious, because see, if you remember this, eighth house is house of long-term disease and death and all that. So Tamil crematorium. Ninth house, if you remember, is a house of holy places and all that. So donate to a religious place, okay, or where at the neck. That's a logic I understood later on, because ninth house is the foundation for first house. आठवतं ना मगाशी मी जे म्हटलं होतं त्याला. So basically, if you have to stapit in the ninth house, you can also wear it in the first house. 10th house is the house of father also. Because if you remember, I told you, 4th house is mother, the opposite is father. 9th house is also considered as father in some ways. So anyway, so 10th is feed the father or make him wear it or bury it somewhere near the government building. Because 10th house is also the house of government and power. So you can bury it in any government compound. And 11th is as per the planet. So example, if Jupiter is in 11, put Sun 3. म्हणजे I don't think you must have understood this. If you remember that ulta z, you'll understand now what I mean. 3 and 11 are connected. 3 and 9 are connected. If you remember 50% aspect. So if Jupiter is in the 11th house, you have to give something to play ping pong with it in the 3rd house. So you will give Sun, which is its friend. So they will be a connection. Samajhte? So 11th house is as per the planet. Whatever the planet is demanding, that by that time you do. So if it's Ketu 11, then they say get a black and white marble port part and make chapatis on it. So this is something that they've given out that I have not understood the logic of it. So I'm not getting into that because we are not going to be doing it just now. So this is just for an understanding. We are not doing any remedies right now. 12th house, they say 12th is your roof and 12th is the exit point. So they say whatever is kept on the roof becomes as if it is tapit in your 12th house. Now, why I'm telling you this at this point is that these things you can understand in your present situation only. What are you wearing in your wrist? If you're wearing a gold ring in your wrist, that means you have voluntarily, let me do this. You have voluntarily stapit Jupiter in your 3rd house. If let us say you have either you have buried something in the ground, whatever. Let us say you have put one, you found Kolsa and you buried it. Kolsa is Rahu. So you have put Rahu in your 7th house now that way. If you have thrown something into the water, what have you thrown? Green color, chane phekle astil, that is Mercury. So you have got that stapit in your 4th house. So what I want you to do is, I want you to understand, because it's not that we bury something in the ground, but we may throw something in the water. We may wear something around our neck. We may wear something on our wrist. We may put something on the tikka. So that is that. This is 1st house. This is 1st house. This also can be 9th house. This is 3rd house. So you have to start thinking like that. You know, like for example, like that day I gave an example, that lady came with a Manicha thing on her neck. Mani ka beads ka necklace is Mercury. Neck is Jupiter. Mercury and Jupiter ka relation, you know, Jupiter is the father, Mercury is the granddaughter. So father is neutral, grandfather is neutral towards all women, so he is neutral towards the granddaughter. But the granddaughter doesn't like that, because when she gets a friends and all that, he's sitting in half pant and all in the hall, so she doesn't like. So enemies. So you put an enemy over here. So if Mercury and Jupiter in your chart, if Mercury and Jupiter are positioned in that way that they are at a tucker thing, you have activated that. And if that has got activated, or let's say Jupiter and Mercury are seated together in Yuti in your chart, in the 11th house, or in the 5th house, let's say it's in the 5th house, and you wear it together, so you have activated these two. So they have got activated in the 5th house. 5th house is house of your children. 5th house is house of your creativity. 5th house is house of your short-term investment. 5th house is house of your entertainment. 5th house is house of your education. 5th house is a house of your love relations and affairs. So you have to be hopeless. You understand the link? Because you will.
You said that the neck and the necklace. So Jupiter was neutral to the granddaughter, correct?
Neck in Karakatwa in LK is slightly different, some of the things. So neck is Jupiter. Feet is Jupiter. Feet are Ketu. Backbone is Ketu. असं सगळं ते थोडंसं slight changes are that in due course I'll tell you. Just now I don't want to bombard all that.
No, but the necklace you said, the beads is Mercury.
Mercury is round objects.
Yeah.
Mercury is also, necklaces also comes under Mercury.
Okay.
So you have put Mercury on the neck, which is Jupiter. It is 1st house also, but in LK is Jupiter.
Okay.
Jupiter and Mercury la ekatra kela.
बरोबर.
Now let us say in your chart, Mercury and Jupiter are seated in the 5th house.
Hmm.
But as of now, they're dormant because their activation age hasn't come up, or whatever, they're dormant. Or their 11th house is soya hua, let us say.
Correct.
I'm just giving an arbit example. Okay, this is my
Yeah.
this is coming. I'm telling you, it is not something which is there written on. If you have activated Mercury by wearing this, and you have activated Jupiter by putting it on the neck, that means you have activated Mercury and Jupiter in your domain.
Yes.
Where is your Mercury and Jupiter seated? In the 5th house.
Yes.
So 5th house has got activated. It has got activated by friends? No, it has got activated by enemies. So तिकडे युद्ध होणार. Something wrong will happen over there. Because
But Jupiter is neutral to Mars now. I mean to Mercury.
yeah, but Mercury is
Enemies. Okay.
inimical towards the grandfather, the granddaughter who's a mastikor thing. She wants to take her friends home and have a nice time. But the poor grandfather is seated in the hall, pancha घालून half pant मध्ये बसलाय तिकडे तर she doesn't want that. So she's inimical towards that. त्यामुळे ते दोन शत्रू झाले.
बरोबर.
तर शत्रूला तू
कळलं.
5व्या घरामध्ये ऍक्टिव्हेट केलं तर समथिंग रिलेटेड टू 5th house will go wrong.
Okay.
How this works out is there was a case where one lady came with this thing.
Hmm.
And then she was asked की तुझ्या मुलाचा पाय तुटला का? She said, oh, कसं कळलं?
Hmm.
So he asked her, since when are you wearing this necklace? So she said 15 days पासून. So they asked, 15 दिवसापूर्वी पाय तुटला का? Yes, ma'am. So she didn't understand a damn thing how that related. But here, just now what I told you is that same thing. Because whatever I heard was only so much. त्याच्या पुढचा inference I am only making.
Right.
So something where two enemies have got activated, and if that has affected the child, that means it has affected the 5th house. No? So maybe
Right.
so like, looking at it that way, or even 11th house, mother Jupiter is pakka house over there.
Hmm.
This is Jupiter. So
Yeah.
activated the 11th house.
Hmm.
11th house activate झाला म्हणजे diametrical opposite म्हणजे your this thing has got activated. 5th house.
Yeah.
So something like that. What is that? Something like that. So what
But
I'm
if you wear a gold chain regularly around your neck, I mean, if somebody has a habit of wearing it every day,
नहीं see कसं होतं आता for example like I am wearing a तांबे का कड़ा, so I have got, okay, let me explain. If you can just imagine a chart, just imagine my 11th house has got Jupiter. My 3rd house is empty. What was the 50% drishti? 3rd house to 11th house and 3rd house to 9th house. You remember that ulta Z wala thing? So basically 11th house has got Jupiter, which is my kismat. But this is empty. So my kismat is soya hua. पिंग पॉंग बॅडमिंटन खेळायला इकडे कोणीच नाही, तर इकडे मी उभा केला कोणाला तरी तर मग देन दे कॅन प्ले बॅडमिंटन. आता तुला बॅडमिंटन तुझ्या फ्रेंड बरोबर खेळायचंय की तुझ्या शत्रू बरोबर खेळायचंय? फ्रेंड बरोबर खेळायचंय. So there has to be somebody who's going to support you and enhance you. And like if you remember what I told you was, पहले घर से बाद के घर में जाता है, उसके साथ ज्वाइन होता है and flourish होता है and activate. So in the 3rd house, if you remember, स्थापित करने के लिए wear कड़ा or ring on your wrist. 3rd house, aeroplane. Tamba, sun, Jupiter, best friends. Father, son, and Mars are buddies. So 3rd house में if I have स्थापित sun, from 3rd house the sun goes to 11th house, mixes with the planet there which is Jupiter. Both are friends, which will give blossom good results. In which house? 11th house of gains and Ichapurti. This is the remedy. So if you remember last time, Preeti Ben had spoken about a sun's chart where 6th house mein Rahu was there, and I had asked her, does he have problem for the stomach thing? And she said, right from birth he's been having that problem. Now that Guru Nanak thing comes into play over here. Those are the planet, that is a planet which is like the hostile villagers. So उसको बैठे रहो, बसे रहो.
बस.
So त्याला तिकडे दफनायचं. Now I'll tell you the thing earlier on. So Rahu ला 5व्या घरामध्ये दफनायचंय. Pachwakar, if you remember, I told you fifth house is house of education. That's why you have to give it in a municipal school. So Rahu is what? Rahu is Kolsa, Rahu is Kala Til, Rahu is ironच्या गोष्टी. आता you can't go and bury this in a municipal school, the compound, right? So you go and donate it over there. So let's take a simpler one. Rahu might be a little difficult to understand. Let us say you have to give, let's say, हे द्यायचं, sunचं द्यायचं items. So तांब्याचे glass द्या त्यांना, donate it to them. Okay, or Saturn असलं तर you can give a metal, it's a cupboard which they can use in the office or something like that. So you donate that to that thing. So what the Pritiben will have to do is her son will have to give some Rahu item to a municipal school, donate it over there. So Rahu can also mean black till, कोळसा. आता कोळसा काय वापरणं तिकडे, पण something like a metal thing, or even electronics is Rahu. So maybe he can just give some electronic calculator is also Rahu. He can just give 4-5 calculators to the office just as a donation. That will be cheap, ना. कॉम्प्युटर द्यायचं म्हटलं तर 30-40 हजार रुपये खर्च. हे म्हटलं 100 रुपये 4-5 दिले, that is Rahu. So you have compounded in there only Rahu. You have not moved him on. आपल्याला नॉर्मली काय वाटतं की राहू इकडे वाईट देतो, ह्याला काढ तिकडून. अरे कार्ड माहिती कुठे नेऊन ठेवू. तृप्ती तुझं पण आपण एकदा पहिलं डिस्कस करत होतो की ह्याला इकडून हलवलं कुठे नेऊन ठेवू. But what we do in Potri is we in where he will give 100.
Manish, this is ते स्थापित or this thing तू जे म्हणतोयस आता, that is according to birth chart का that is according to वर्षफल?
See, remedy karna will be based. No, that's a little complicated. Let's not get into it because there is something called graha fal and rashi fal म्हणतात त्याला. So एकाचं करता येतं, दुसऱ्याचं करता येत नसतं. So let's not get into that. I don't want to get into the remedy part at all just now because it's a full subject by itself. Let's not get into that. But to answer your question, whenever you do remedy, you are going to do only 3 things. One is the dafna into the ground, बह जाओ into the बहते हुए पानी में. Okay. Or third is leave it in the temple. There are only 3 ways you do a remedy. Okay, other things are there, like you feed the cow and whatever. But if you have to do an item based thing, you are either going to bury it in the ground, put it in running water, or keep it in the temple. So when you want to स्थापित करायचं, तर ते स्थापित करण्यासाठी हे की तुला तो ग्रह तिथेच ठेवायचा आहे. You don't want to move him out. बसे रहो. So if let us say for example, जसं आता हिचं Pritiben's son had got Rahu in the 5th house. And we want to compound him in the 5th house only. But they put it in what is 5th house? You understand? So 5th house means municipal school. So you donate it in municipal or bury it in the municipal school. Suppose that Rahu was in the 7th house. 7th house is bury in the ground. So when you bury it into the ground, तो 7व्या घरामध्ये स्थापित होतं. Now whatever you bury will get स्थापित there. You put gold over there, sun will get Jupiter will get स्थापित. You put तांबा over there, Jupiter sun will get स्थापित. You put चांदीचा चौकोन हे over there, moon will get स्थापित. Or you pour water into it स्थापित. You take honey and put it in a मिट्टी का ये and put it in the ground, Mars will get स्थापित. Like that. समजते? That is the basic funda. We are not got to the remedy of it.
ओके, सो ते जे लास्ट टाइम आपण डिस्कस केलं किस्मत का ग्रह आणि मग सोया हुआ ग्रह, सो त्याच्या अपोजिटच्या ह्याच्यावरती ॲज यू सेड की लाईक फॉर मी अँड रश्मी ज्युपिटर व सोया हुआ ग्रह किस्मत का, तर मग तू 10 वरती सनचे डॉट्स लावायला सांगितले, दॅट वॉज ऑन नी. तर त्याच्याऐवजी आता तू जे म्हणतोयस ते 10 म्हणजे यू टेल युअर फादर टू वेअर गोल्ड चेन. सो व्हॉट इज द ऑप्शन?
तसं पण करता येतं. बिकॉज यू आर पुटिंग द 10व्या ह्याच्यातला लहान मूल मोठ्याने इन्सल्ट त्याच्या का घर कोणतं कार्ट आहे बाहेर, खिडकीच्या बाहेरच लोंबकल वरतून पडला बिडला की काय नाही, वरतून पडलाचं लोंबकल किंचाळते कोणतं लहान मुलं. ओके, कधी कधी कार्टी असतात. आय लव्ह लिटिल चिल्ड्रन, बट वेन दे आर कार्टी मग त्यांना एक रपाटच द्यावं वाटतं. See, Trupti, what you're saying makes sense. But as of now, I cannot tell you that with authority. But what you're saying is, if you have to, म्हणजे तुमचा चौथ्या घरात जुपिटर आहे का? Okay, so your चौथ्या घरात जुपिटर आहे, 10व्या घरात काही नाही आहे. So that means your Jupiter is सोया हुआ. Now जुपिटर को पिंग पोंग खेलने के लिए सामने उसका फ्रेंड रखना है. उसका बेस्ट फ्रेंड कौन है? सन. Sun is what? तांबा. Okay, so basically in 10th house you have to stapit sun. So 10th house to stapit is basically in a municipal precinct. You have to bury something like in an income tax office or in a sales tax or in a passport office or a RTO any government building comes under 10th house. जसं मी म्हटलं. Father also comes. So either sun जर असलं तर gold नाही. Sun is तांबा. Jupiter is sun. Then you will have to ask your father to wear a kada, or you will have to feed him some sun-related item. Sun, I think wheat is sun, if I'm not mistaken. Let me बघून सांगतो. So wheatचं काहीतरी item बनवून you can feed him, or you can तुम्ही सगळे लोक जांभ्यात आहेत, झोप आली का? नाही ना?
For how long one will feed?
त्याचं बेसिकली इट्स अ वन टाइम थिंग. आता तांब्याचं घातलं की घालताना उद्या खेचून काढता नाही येते, त्याला घालू दे थोडं दिवस, तसं नाही करत. नाही तर बाबाने दिला आज आणि उद्या द्यायचं वापस म्हणून असं नाही करत. बट सी दॅट रेमेडी फ्रँकली स्पीकिंग आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू डिस्कस ओनली बिकॉज रेमेडीज आर अ व्हरायटी. 121 माव्याचे खव्याचे पेढे बनवून पाण्यामध्ये सोड म्हणतात. आता सिन्स आय हॅव नॉट अंडरस्टूड द लॉजिक ऑफ इट, I cannot talk with authority. That's why I'm not opening my mouth. So there are many such things. Some of it has some logic, some of it doesn't have logic. You have to do it blindly. Like for example, तुम्हाला म्हणजे आता ते मला हिंदी शब्द आठवत नाही, रश्मीशी त्यात डिस्कस केलं होतं. तुमच्या वेटचं 1/10 वजनचं तेवढं ग्रीन गवत घेऊन काळ्या गाईला द्या. त्याचं ते मध्ये लॉजिक काढे, पण माझे केस पिकायला आले इथे. You know, so there are some things which you can, so as of now I don't want to talk about remedy at all because till I master that thing I don't want to open my mouth. असं काहीतरी असतं. But this taping thing, why I thought of talking just now is because like you are born this, or for example this is Saturn, chasma is Saturn, and आंखों की रोशनी is Mercury. You know, that's why Mercury and Saturn are friends. Mercury is the young girl who wants Dua and all that. Saturn is night. So she is very friendly towards the night because she wants to go out and have fun. And Saturn, if you remember, is telling her thamba. He is neutral towards her. So the eyes look at the specks as friends. Mercury looks at specks as friends. And the specks are looking at Mercury and saying, thamba, I'm looking after you. Slow down. So Saturn, Mercury. So basically what you are wearing. So now I've got Saturn over here. My eyes were weak. I put Saturn on it. So स्थापित केलं तिकडे. असं झालं ते. So whatever you're wearing now, you're wearing a red shirt. So red shirt is on Mars. Okay. You have, by the way, 9th is हे करना. What is it called? Religious place ला जाना या आंग पे धारण करना, शरीर पे धारण करना. So if you have worn a red shirt, you have put red Mars in your 9th house. So how is that affecting you? You understand this? This is getting a little interesting that way. So what I'm trying to say is, which I have started doing, every day something or the other happens, good or bad or whatever it is. So if whatever has happened, let's not say good or bad, whatever has happened, first of all find out which house has got activated. डोकं दुखायला लागलं, पाय दुखायला लागला, पोट दुखायला लागलं, चांगलं झालं, पैसे आले, you know, your return money from the client has come or something. So which house has got activated? Which planet has got activated? What have you done that has activated this? There are many more activities which I will share in due course. But just
my connection is getting lost. 5 minute के बाद में I get to hear you and you all get freeze and
so you see the video बाद में because you must have got the प्रॉब्लम ऑफ वन इशू एंड रेमेडी ऑफ दूसरा इशू, ऐसा 5-5 मिनट।
अच्छा पर मनीष अभी क्या हुआ है, इफ यू रिमेम्बर मेरा और तृप्ति का लाइक जुपिटर वाज इन 4th हाउस and 10th house is khali, so we have to do udhar karna. So you suggested last time कि वहाँ पे sun को बिठाएंगे, so put a golden dot on knees.
मेरा 5-5 मिनट का गैप नहीं, 50-50 मिनट का गैप आ रहा है। ये 50 मिनट पहले हमने डिस्कस भी किया।
अरे I know, उसके बाद में I was about to tell but then you were discussing something else, so I like you know
क्या लगा
as a good student I was waiting patiently.
You learn
तो
to-
मैंने तो वो गोल्डन डॉट लगा भी लिया नी पे, 3 दिन 4 दिन लगाया. नाउ यू आर सेइंग दैट इज तांबा. अभी क्या करेंगे?
नहीं, वो बीच में तो जो वैक्यूम आया था ना, उसमें मैंने रेमेडी चेंज किया था, अभी उधर डाल दिया, अभी ठीक है, दूसरा पति मिलेगा उसका रेमेडी है वो, दैट इज द थिंग। नाउ यू विल बी तृप्ति
तो
बच्चन।
तृप्ति को भी मिलेगा ना फिर.
तृप्ति तुम लोग एक साथ मिलेगा, तुम लोग दोनों ऐसा पांडव जैसे बन के जाओ, पांडवीन। वो पांडव 5 को 1 थी, अभी तुम 2 को 1 है, तुम पांडवीन बन गए। वो पांडव थे, तुम पांडवीन 1, और तुम में से 2 में से जो हायरार्की में ऊपर है सीरीज में, she gets the first preference.
She gets the first choice ना. तृप्ति you will get to select first.
फर्स्ट चॉइस नहीं, पति है फर्स्ट चॉइस पीस नहीं, फर्स्ट पहले।
अच्छा ओके.
लेट्स नॉट मेक एस्ट्रोलॉजी इनटू।
The trophy is missing, but
हाँ
No, but see now if you are saying कि that is तांबा, तांबा is like which color? I mean अभी वो कलर का नील पेंट ढूंढना पड़ेगा.
सन
You are adding expenditure on us.
तुमने जो किया है ना वो बराबर किया है। She asked me another question, so I gave that also, so that is also a remedy. There are so many options that you can do here. You know, if you do skipping rope with a golden this thing, that is the most fastest remedy. Try it tomorrow. Golden color करो, उड़ी का उड़ी का। That is in
Okay.
Lal Kitab, that is said as the ultimate remedy to put all planets in place. But you have to do it 251 times, not 250, not 52. तो पति को उधर बाजू में बैठो, 1 2 3 4, और जो भाषा में 45 के आगे आता है गिनने को वो करो, नहीं तो मेरे को 40 41 बेहतर 45, उसके बाद में नहीं आते, फिर तत पपा करने तक तुम 3-4 आगे जाओगे तो वो प्रॉब्लम होएगा।
I तो get confused. 35 के ऊपर ही आया, मैं रुक जाती हूँ.
तो 35 करो, वापस 35 करो, वापस 35 करो, और 251 में 35 कितने टाइम आता है, रिमाइंडर कितना आता है वो पहले लिख के रखो, उसके बाद में करो, नहीं तो पाप लगता है। बट दिस इज अ अल्टीमेट रेमेडी। ओके, एक रस्सी को गोल्डन करो, नहीं तो पैजामा का नाड़ी निकालो, पति के पैजामा का, उसको गोल्डन कलर करो और उसका डोरी का उंगली मारो और उसका वीडियो निकाल के रखो। हाँ, यू लॉक्ड हिम इन। वो बेचारा पीछे खड़खड़ खड़खड़ दरवाजा,
May I say something?
वो लाल किताब को तो नीचे
You're muted. You're muted. Don't worry.
वी वोंट वरी। कोण तर लाल किताबी ऐका,
काही खरं नाहीये अशा
काही
रेमेडीज.
खरं नाहीये बाबा,
हा.
रेमेडीज असंच
आणि
सांगतात.
तिला
पण मी करायला
रेमेडी
पाहिजे.
करणार आहे.
नाही मनीष, पण मी केली तर मी थोडी बारीक.
नाही उद्या नाही ऐका नाही, म्हणजे हिनी मध्ये खर्च करून द्या बाईक नवऱ्याचं झालं करायची रंगून दोरीच्या उड्या मारत. तो नवरा बिचारा पॅन्ट पकडून असं तिकडे, अरे दे ना बाबा, किती वेळ मार.
हे दोघांनी मिळून मारायचे आहेत ना, नवरा बायको दोघांनी मिळून मारायचे आहेत ना.
बापरे ऋषी, हे तूच करू शकतोस. आम्ही नाही.
तू नात्यातला आहेस का? तुला पण लागलं वाटतं थोडस हवा.
Good that my net was slow, so I missed the fun.
हाँ, तेरा पति बाहर गया, नाड़ी पटकर निकाला ना, नहीं तो निकालने में तकलीफ होएगा।
अच्छा ठीक है.
और नॉर्मल
पहले वाले का निकालना है, दूसरे वाले का. This you are not specified ना.
कहाँ निकालने का?
नारी.
पहले वाले का, दूसरे वाले का? कोई सुन रहा होगा तो क्या बोलेगा?
That was what you already got.
मनीष, दिस इज गेटिंग रिकॉर्डेड.
मैंने पति का नाड़ा निकालने को कितना बोला, पैजामा के नाड़ा निकालने को बोला, पति का नाड़ा निकालने को क्या खींची थी क्या मालूम अभी। ऐसा मत कर कुछ भी। दो मुझे मेरा केतु दे दो करके खींचेगी। अरे ऐसा थोड़ी कर सकते। और बेचारे का क्या हाल होगा तुझको पता नहीं।